It's Diane, and it's time to talk about the Farmhouse Summer quilt kit that we've put together using this gorgeous Riley Blake large fabric panel. It measures 36 by width of fabric. As you can see, it's got some really pretty florals on it. It's got the front porch scene and welcome bench and words, and this is our happy place. And this is a really beautiful panel, and Riley Blake created a free pattern for it. And so we have put together a free pattern kit, and this includes the background fabric that's called Sparkle, also by Riley Blake. And then we have the fabrics that go with the panel pattern and kit, all from the same collection. We've got the wildflowers in the blue. There's the red flower pots. There's a gold plaid that's really pretty. The blue denim is the background for that blue, and then another floral. And so this is going to be a really pretty throw size quilt when it's done. We have these kits ready to go on our website. So shop now at dianesews.com.